Hello my dear friends, I'm Kirill and today we will take a look at the LEGO Speed Champions set 76914. This is Ferrari, and I've just understood that on the instruction book we have no sign, no Ferrari logo, just some undetermined car. Of course, no additional information in the beginning like in other Speed Champions sets. Actually, yeah, there is nothing special in the instruction book. Probably here we can see that this is Ferrari. And I think we can start with the model. The model has some stickers, but not too many as some other Speed Champions sets. Actually, this yellow stripe is made out of stickers. And also here and here and even here. Actually, this is a 1x1 brick that has a print and a sticker. Yeah, and actually not too many printed pieces here. Of course, front lights are printed, and also here I used round tiles 1x1 with printed center. You can see a black, I hope you can see, yeah, a black print on this transparent red tiles. In general, I like how it looks. I in general like how all this car look, all these 8-stud white Speed Champions cars. And there is maybe one moment that I don't like. This is the front part. You can see that it has a backlash and even tends to separate from the model, but if you will play carefully, or if this model is just for shelf, it will not be a problem. What else? Of course, this printed canopy has a wrong color, as many other printed pieces. Unfortunately, this red is darker than the red color of pieces. I like the rear part. You can see very cool exhaust pipes made out of blasters or shooters for minifigures, and here we have two of them. Also, the model has inclination. The rear part is one plate higher than the front part. It's cool, it's like in real cars for better aerodynamics and to improve the downforce in curves. Of course, we can open the cabin, and here we can see a minifigure with Ferrari logo. And yeah, this is the second thing about this set that I don't like. The steering wheel is shifted. It's placed not in front of the minifigure, but it's shifted half a stud left, like in many other Speed Champions sets, and I don't like it. Actually, some of these sets has a proper placement of the steering wheel, but some of them not. What is the cool fact about this set and other Speed Champions sets of this year? They are based on a completely new chassis piece. This huge piece, the base of the model was significantly changed. Some changes probably are not so important, but there is one more very important change that allows to place minifigure one plate lower, and as a result here we have a lower profile and probably better proportions of this car and other new cars, and it's really cool. I think this new piece has great potential. Also, this piece has longer central part where we have odd number of studs, and probably it will be used in the future for models that can contain 4 minifigures. Most of these Speed Champions cars have only 2 places for 2 minifigures, but probably this piece can be used for larger cars that can contain 4 figures, and it would be cool if they will use it in such a way. And also probably one pretty important change is that this set has new fenders, new wheel arcs, and they allow to do this part under the wheel more flat, actually make it lower. Here you can see that these tiles are in the same level that the arc ends, and the cars with old arcs had this part 1 plate higher. This is also very good for proportions. You can see that this part of the model looks much better than in many old LEGO Speed Champions cars. And in the end, I'd like to say that I like this set. This Ferrari will be a nice addition to my LEGO Speed Champions collection. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!